Now, these are the mistake you are making. That's why you're not getting any views on your video, no matter how much you try, no matter the effort you put in making your video. Now, I'm going to show you what you need to do on your YouTube channel for you to start getting views. Now, join me for this tutorial and make sure you like, subscribe. If this is your first time coming across my channel, subscribe to get more updates. Now, let's go. So what you're going to do is head over to your YouTube studio. If you are using your Chrome, you type youtubestudio.com. This is it. Then you log in, because all these features are only available to you on your YouTube studio. So I'm using this is the channel I don't normally use often, so I'm going to use this for the tutorial. So where we are heading to, you see all these icons that are lined up at your left hand side. Then you come down here, you see this one that is like pencil icon. You tap on it. So this is the dashboard. This is the interface is going to show you. If you see up here, you are going to see content monetization. All right. So for now, it is on profile. So this is where you need to add your image, your description, blah, 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 blah. But that's not where we're going. So you see here, the second option where you see home tab on top, you tap on home tab. So this is the interface is going to show you. But because this is a new account, I've not turned anything on yet. So this is what we are going to do. So let me just zoom it. So if you can see up here where you see this home tab, show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. So this is what you are going to do. You see this button right here. This is what you need to turn on. So once you tap it, you see it is turned on already. So let's go to the next one, layout. Customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. Now, as you can see here, for you, what does this for you mean? So, as you can see, YouTube always updates the For You section with fresh content. So, this is, you are going to turn all this on, then allow, it should be on all content. As you can see, it is already recommended. So, if your own is here, recent content only, you better put it on all content. So this is it. So once you are done with it, you click on done. Now that's for that. So let's add our selections. So here you see For You is already added. Now another thing you need to do again is channel trailer. You tap on channel trailer at the top. Then this channel trailer is how it works is that once it is turned on, it is going to allow you to select a particular video that is performing well, because what this channel trailer does is that any new subscriber that subscribes to your page or scrolling, the video that you select here is going to be the first video that new subscriber will see. So if it's not good enough, that person might not, I don't like this person's video, let me just scroll up. But if it is a video that is very, very catching, immediately that person sees it, that person will be so intrigued to subscribe in order to watch more of your videos. So here, you are going to select your best performing video. Okay, let me just choose one video here. Let me choose this one, this first one. You see, once I've chosen it, it pops out here. And the good thing here is that you can always change it. If maybe later in time, the video is no longer performing well, you have another video that is beating it up, then once you tap on it, you see these three dots here. You tap on it to remove or change the video. So that is it. Then you add another one, popular videos, short videos, all these things, spotlight videos for returning subscribers. Are you getting what I'm saying? So all these things, you can turn them on for getting views, so that your channel can start performing well. So these are the mistakes some of us are making. Some of us, our own is not turned on, is not turned on. So okay, So that is it. Remember, I told you that you can come to here, more settings, and turn this all off. So thank you very much. Just do this and keep on uploading your videos. And I bet you within 2 weeks, you will see your channel growing. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and always stay around. I'll keep on bringing more updates to you. Thank you very much. So once you are done with all these settings here, don't forget to click on publish. All right, because if you fail to click on publish, everything that you've just done now is just as if you did nothing. So just click on publish to save, to publish it. So once it is done, you are good to go. So subscribe to my channel. I'll be teaching you on how to add your title to create a very eye-catching thumbnail. You can see my thumbnail, and how to put a very catching description in order for the algorithm to understand what your content is all about and be able to push it to the right people. Thank you so much. Have a great day.